Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Pandas Workout, 200 Exercises to Make You a Stronger Data Analyst, written by Reuven Lerner.
In Pandas, data is often manipulated in two-dimensional tables called data frames, which are composed of one-dimensional series. Understanding series is crucial because methods applied to them are also applicable to data frames, yielding results for each column. For instance, the mean method calculates the average of a series and can be applied to each column of a data frame, returning a series of means. Series can be indexed by Booleans to filter data, and understanding indexes is essential for data retrieval. Common variable names used for series and data frames are S and DF, respectively, with PD as the alias for pandas. Creating a series involves generating random integers, setting an index, and performing calculations. For example, to calculate average test scores, one can use the mean method on a series of scores. Indexing can be done using .lock and .ilock for label-based and position-based indexing, respectively. Understanding mean and standard deviation is important for data analysis. The mean represents the central point of a dataset, while the standard deviation measures the variation of data points from the mean. Pandas provides methods for these calculations, with the standard deviation assuming a sample by default. Data types, dtype, in Pandas are based on NumPy types, which are important for memory usage and accuracy. Changing the dtype of a series can be done using the asType method. Scaling test scores can be achieved through vectorized operations and broadcasting, where an operation is applied to each series element. The index plays a crucial role in these operations. For more complex data manipulation, one can use methods like value_counts to analyze frequency distributions, or PD.cut, to categorize numeric data into bins with labels. In summary, a Pandas series offers a range of methods for data analysis, from basic statistical calculations to complex data categorization, making it a powerful tool for handling one-dimensional data. Prepare to dive into data frames, the two-dimensional data structures commonly associated with pandas, as we expand our reach in the next chapter.
Get this book at manning.com